Okay guys, for the cookies, in the bowl I have a half a cup of unsalted butter and a quarter of a cup of vegetable shortening. Okay, what we are going to do with the paddle attachment is we're going to cream this first. Okay, now that that is creamed, we are going to add 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, of packed brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 large egg, and we are going to beat that, not too long. Okay, now that that's mixed, I'm gonna scrape down the bowl, make sure there's nothing hanging out at the bottom. Okay, and now we are going to add, I'm going to move this over just a little bit so I can show y'all the dry ingredients. Here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to give this a mix. Okay, and we're going to start incorporating this a little bit at a time. And here I have 2 tablespoons of whole milk. We are going to add about half of this, and then the milk. We're gonna mix it, start off slow. Okay, now that that's pretty much mixed, we're gonna add the rest of the flour, and we are going to add a half a cup of chopped pecans, and today I'm going to use mini chocolate chips, but you can use the large ones if you like. Okay, I am going to use 1 pack, 10-ounce pack of chocolate chip. Okay, and then we're going to give this a mix. Okay, and that should be good right there. You don't want to overmix cookie dough. Sure smells good already. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this into another bowl, and I'm going to put it into the refrigerator, and I'm going to let it sit for about an hour. Okay, so here is the dough that I just transferred into a smaller bowl, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it with some saran wrap, and I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for about an hour just till it firms up a little bit. And this just ensures me that the cookies are not going to spread too thin. Okay, so I will be back in a little while so we can roll out the balls for the cookies. Okay guys, I've had the dough in the refrigerator for about an hour, and I start scooping them out here. I do have a silicone mat on the cookie tray, and that just makes for easier cleanup for me. I do have a dough scoop, and we're just going to put them on the tray. I put about a dozen on each tray. And we are going to preheat the oven to 375, and these are going to cook approximately 11 to 13 minutes. It just depends on the wellness that you like. If you prefer softer cookies, well, you take them out at 11 minutes. If you like crispier cookies, you take them out at 13 minutes. 13 to 14 minutes. Okay guys, that's going to be it. We're going to pop them in the oven. There they are. And I will be right back to show you what they look like. Okay guys, this is my recipe today for chocolate chip pecan cookies. And let me say, the kitchen smells delicious right now. I like to bake mine for 14 minutes because I like a crunchier cookie. But if you like them softer, you bake them at a less time. You bake them how your family likes them. But look at that. And let's cut one open for you. See, they're still not real crunchy because they haven't sat out for a little bit. I just wanted to show you what they look like on the inside. So that is my version of chocolate chip pecan cookies. I will link the recipe down below in the description box, so please go and check there. If you enjoyed the recipe and want to see more like them, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and visit us on Facebook at Virtual Kitchen with Laura. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos, and please share with friends and family. Thank you so much guys. Talk to y'all later. Bye.